In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for storing Excel and Word documents, focusing on files and attachments. Whether you're new to Asana or looking to optimize your workflow, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it as seamless as possible. To begin, head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you already have an account, simply click on Login to access your dashboard. New users can click Get Started or Try for free to create an account and start experiencing all that Asana has to offer. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard where you can manage all your tasks and projects. The first step in storing your files in Asana is to create a task or project. You can start a new task or open an existing one where you'd like to attach your document. This will serve as the home for your files, making it easy to track and manage. In the task view, you'll see a paperclip icon, or what's known as the attachments option. Click on it to proceed with adding your files. Now comes the critical decision of how to upload your files. Asana allows you to upload directly from your computer, so if you have Excel or Word documents saved locally, you can select them here. Additionally, Asana integrates with cloud storage services like Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox, so you can easily attach documents stored in the cloud. If you're dealing with many files, organizing them effectively is key. Consider creating a dedicated project in Asana titled File Management or Document Library. This project will act as a central hub for all your documents, keeping them accessible and well organized. Within this project, use sections to categorize your files. Categories like reports, invoices, or client documents will help you and your team find what you need quickly. To further streamline your file management, make use of custom fields. Label your files with tags such as urgent, in progress, or final version. These labels can prove invaluable for prioritization and project tracking. Once your files are uploaded and organized, collaboration becomes a breeze. Team members can add comments directly to the task, providing feedback or updates that remain tied to the document. Use task descriptions to give context or outline key points related to the files. This ensures everyone is on the same page and understands the purpose behind the attached documents. Finally, set due dates for your tasks. Assign team members to tasks with specified deadlines for reviewing or updating files, keeping projects on track and timely. With these steps, you can master storing and managing Excel and Word documents in Asana efficiently. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.